Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we'll learn how to fix the error installation failed, destination file already exists. What is the meaning of this error and how we'll fix this? When you try installing the plugin in your WordPress website, you'll get this error because plugin data is already stored in the files. Like we have two options in the file. Number one, for the storing the data, we have database, and second, for storing the files like PHP files, CSS file, we have to store in the separate files option, that is file manager. So we need to delete that particular files for installing this plugin. So we'll go to our cPanel. As I told you, there will be a file manager and database. First option we have inside this cPanel, once you log in, you can search here files or files manager, like that you'll find this option. And next option I have told you, database PHP MyAdmin, that we don't have to touch now. So we'll click file manager. Now double click on that to open that file manager. In the file manager, if you have only one domain, which is the main domain, it will be inside public_html. Let's say you have two domains in your cPanel, then first domain will be here, this one, and second domain, if you have another add-ons domain, the first domain is the main domain which is inside the public_html, and second domain is the add-ons domain which file will be there outside. Let's say here you can see demo, but if you let's say assume you have Mumshy, Clumshy and Go Mahamaya, two domains, then Go Mahamaya will be inside public_html and Mumshy Clumshy will be here. So my website will be there inside demo, but your file will be inside public_html, because most of the beginners they have only one domain. So I'll click on demo. You should click on public_html and check. Now once you are inside, click on WP content, and next here you have to check the plugins folder. Double click on that. You will find all the plugins which is there inside your website. Installed plugins option will all will be here stored. Okay, so we have to delete that particular WooCommerce one. You have to find out which one is the WooCommerce. So this is the WooCommerce. Right click, delete, or there will be, if you are in separate cPanel, there will be a delete option in the upper corner. You can delete from there also. I'll delete from this option. It will ask me, see, you can see here demo WP content. Here you will see your path also. You can check your path by this also. Here will be your website name, WP content, and the plugins option will be there. So I'll delete this. I'll confirm, and next go back to your website and click refresh the page. Say install. Now click on activate. Bingo, we are able to fix our website error, and now that plugin got installed and we got redirected to WooCommerce setup page. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll surely help you. Thank you.